The Apple Watch Ultra series has redefined what a premium smartwatch can be, blending adventure-ready durability with cutting-edge technology. While 2024 left enthusiasts without a new Ultra model, Apple's rumored plans for the Apple Watch Ultra 3 in 2025 suggest a game-changing upgrade. If leaks are accurate, this could be the biggest leap in Apple's smartwatch lineup yet. Let's break down the expected features, major design changes, and release timeline for the highly anticipated Apple Watch Ultra 3. The evolution of Apple Watch Ultra. Apple made waves with the first Apple Watch Ultra in 2022, introducing a larger, rugged design aimed at adventurers and athletes. The Ultra 2, released in 2023, brought minor refinements such as a brighter display and a more efficient S9 chip, but didn't offer any major hardware overhaul. In 2024, rather than launching an Ultra 3, Apple simply refreshed the Ultra 2 with a dark titanium finish, leaving many fans disappointed. Now, all eyes are on 2025, with leaks hinting at a thinner, more advanced smartwatch that could redefine wearable technology, a more compact and modern design. One of the biggest criticisms of the Ultra lineup has been its bulk. While the design has been praised for its durability, many users find it too large for daily wear. Apple is rumored to be addressing this concern by making the Ultra 3 thinner and lighter while maintaining its rugged appeal. A sleeker design could make the Ultra 3 more comfortable on the wrist without compromising battery life. Additionally, an edge-to-edge display, similar to what's expected in the Apple Watch Series 10, could enhance the viewing experience, offering a more immersive and modern look. However, reducing the thickness might impact battery size, so Apple could implement a more power-efficient OLED display to balance the trade-off. Game-changing health and fitness features. Apple has been at the forefront of health tracking innovations, and the Ultra 3 could introduce one of the most anticipated upgrades yet: blood pressure monitoring. While not expected to replace traditional cuffs, this feature could provide trend data and alert users to hypertension risks, complementing existing tools like ECG monitoring and blood oxygen tracking. Other rumored improvements include advanced sleep tracking with more precise sleep stage detection, enhanced stress monitoring using heart rate variability and AI-driven insights, better recovery insights tailored for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. If these features make it to the final product, the Ultra 3 could become the go-to wearable for health-conscious users. Faster charging and improved battery life. Battery life has always been a strong point of the Ultra series, with up to 36 hours of use on a single charge. The Ultra 3 is rumored to include even better efficiency, possibly integrating a larger battery or leveraging the next-generation S11 chip to enhance longevity. Additionally, Apple may introduce faster charging technology, inspired by the upcoming Series 10 models. Faster charging could allow users to quickly top up their watch before a workout or outdoor adventure, reducing downtime and increasing convenience. 5G connectivity and satellite messaging, a first for Apple Watch. One of the biggest potential game changers for the Ultra 3 is the rumored inclusion of 5G connectivity. This upgrade could significantly improve faster data speeds for seamless app performance, smoother video calls and FaceTime audio, more reliable connectivity in remote areas. Another exciting possibility is satellite messaging, similar to the emergency SOS feature found in newer iPhones. This would allow users to send messages even without cellular service, making the Ultra 3 an essential tool for hikers, climbers, and explorers who venture into remote areas. Some reports suggest that Apple could expand this feature beyond emergency use, letting users stay connected in isolated locations. Expected release date and pricing. Apple traditionally announces new Apple Watch models in September, alongside its latest iPhone lineup. Since the Ultra 3 didn't arrive in 2024, it's widely expected to launch in September 2025, alongside the iPhone 17 series. As for pricing, Apple has maintained a consistent $799 price tag for the Ultra series. While a major price hike seems unlikely, Costs could fluctuate slightly depending on the inclusion of new technologies like 5G and satellite messaging. Final thoughts. Is the Apple Watch Ultra 3 worth the wait? With the rumored thinner design, next-gen health tracking, faster charging, and potentially groundbreaking connectivity features, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 could be the most significant upgrade in the Ultra lineup's history. However, the biggest question remains: will these features be enough to make it worth the wait? For those who already own an Ultra 2, the improvements may not seem revolutionary, but if you've been holding out for a major upgrade, 2025 could finally deliver the smartwatch you've been waiting for. What do you think about these rumored upgrades? Are you planning to upgrade to the Apple Watch Ultra 3, or will you stick with your current smartwatch? Let us know in the comments.